Hey y'all, Brenda here at the Pop-Up Homestead. I wanted to share with you, just went in to visit our new friends, the Amish, and I wanted to share with you this awesome deal I got. So I got these peaches, all these vegetables, cucumber, eggplant, summer squash, nice big tomato, $6. Went and got some blueberries. You can get a gallon of blueberries for $8. So I know everyone talks about food scarcity and how expensive everything's getting, but remember, if you shop local, support local farmers, you can get a really good deal on food. And look at the bright, vibrant colors. You can just tell it's going to be delicious. Oh, I can't wait for dinner tonight. I think I'm making a southwestern omelet. Seeing as how we have chickens and plenty of eggs. I'm going to dice up all these veggies in it. And then we're going to have some fresh peaches for dessert. And I don't know how long the blueberries will make it for, but I have a feeling I'll be back to that blueberry farm to be picking. Maybe I'll even record while I'm there. It's a gorgeous place. Alright, take care, y'all.